We could see our own breath and our lips were blue. The heat pump broke, what were we to do? Our fingers and toes were starting to freeze. We called Zimmerman and they fixed it with ease. Zimmerman.com. When there's a chill in the air, Zimmerman.com. Call them up, they'll be right there. They're certified technicians, I've been told, will help you when it's hot and help you when it's cold. Zimmerman.com. You can trust them to warm up your home. Zimmerman.com.